Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the heart of Korean cuisine to explore the mouth-watering and lesser-known dish called Jokbal. Get ready to uncover the maximum unknown facts and unique traditions surrounding this delectable braised pork trotters. Let's embark on this savory adventure together. Here comes the legendary Jokbal. Jokbal holds a legendary status in Korean culinary culture. This beloved dish has been satisfying palates for generations and continues to be a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Its rich flavors and tender texture make it a true gastronomic delight. The secret to the succulent taste of Jokbal lies in its meticulous preparation. The pork trotters are simmered for hours in a flavorful broth, infused with a medley of spices, creating a dish that is both aromatic and unforgettable. Here comes the health benefits fact. While indulging in Jokbal, you'll also be reaping its health benefits. Pork trotters are rich in collagen, making them a natural elixir for beautiful skin and joint health. Savoring this dish is not just a treat for your taste buds but also a boon for your well-being. Are you thinking about right pairing of this dish? Jokbal is often enjoyed with an array of delicious accompaniments. From refreshing kimchi to savory radish wraps, these pairings elevate the dining experience and add a burst of complementary flavors. Jokbal's popularity and enduring tradition. Despite being a delicacy, Jokbal's popularity has grown significantly over the years. The enduring tradition of enjoying this dish during special occasions and gatherings showcases its cultural significance in Korean celebrations. As with many Korean dishes, Jokbal boasts regional variations. Each region adds its unique twist, presenting diverse flavors and culinary ingenuity that reflect the local tastes and preferences. Jokbal's legacy is not confined to history. It continues to be a timeless dish loved by food enthusiasts worldwide. Its comforting and hearty nature transcends cultural boundaries, making it a sought-after culinary gem. Let's talk about Jokbal challenges and contests. Food challenges and contests have emerged, centered around the appreciation of Jokbal. From speed eating competitions to creative plating, people are finding unique ways to celebrate and enjoy this savory delight. And there you have it, our journey through the flavorful world of Jokbal, filled with maximum unknown facts and delightful surprises. I hope you enjoyed learning about this Korean braised pork trotters as much as I did. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future food adventures. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep exploring and keep savoring the wonders of food.